ulan.
Diferensya.
Kadit ng diferensya. Okay naman sa una.
Parang nga may nilibing na ano rito eh.
Oo, siguro yung kalahin nito. Bye.
Sige nga, mayroong nilagay na.
Bye, yung kamukha nito.
Saan?
Hello.
Do.
Ilagay natin yan.
Hey. How are you? We're at Wild Oak campground here. Wild Oak. Yeah.
Banatan natin yung ano. Yung mga
Yeah, it's
anting-anting.
raining here because we just having that I told you
Ano na to dyan eh?
last night that
Emergency
radio
power.
contest. Yeah. So, hey, what happened to you last night? How come you didn't
Taking antenna. Holy cow, Yuris. Everything is equipped. Everything is ready.
Oh, really?
Cable.
You know, when you finish, you can use this cable. This is a 12 gauge wire.
No.
Yeah, that is
If that one works, then we can use antenna instead.
So you
that
can
is
use
good.
it.
I make that one Yuri for power soup on my car.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't look at the
That's a very good.
Galing mo talaga lang.
12 gauge.
12 gauge.
12 gears, yeah. It's very nice. I'll make that.
How about Henry? Oh, right. Oh.
Abay. Alam mo, nagtatampo yan dahil
Yeah.
di pa natin kasi
Is
naglalagay.
Ala still
Yung-
late or no?
Huh?
Yeah. All right. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, here it's been raining, windy. QSL. Good luck. Come on!
Papa Alpha Radio.
Matindi na, wala nang bubungan to. Naabali na yung mga lahat ng poste.
lahat. Sa isang taon, di na may tatayo yan.
Hindi, bahay nang ilagay natin dito sa taon.
One time use lang ano.
Bahay.
Ha?
Papa Alpha Radio.
Magawa ng tugon yun.
Papa Alpha Radio. Text you. I have to put up my... Ha? Maleta, please. Victor Alpha 4, Papa Alpha Radio. Victor Alpha 4, Papa Alpha Radio.
Ito, reserve.
Victor Alpha 4,
Bakit?
Papa
Reserve ba rin
Alpha
to?
Radio.
Kalat-kalat yung aso eh.
Batuhin mo ngayon. Yung aso na yon.
Baka reserve din to. Nakikita mo lang yan sa mga reserve.
Maybe just only
Victor Alpha 4, Papa Alpha Radio. Victor Alpha 4, Papa Alpha Radio.
Madam, bring the cup. Ay, wag na.
Victor Alpha 4, Papa Alpha Radio. Yeah, Victor Alpha 4, Papa Alpha Radio.
Oo,
Victor Alpha 4, Papa Alpha Radio. Copy? Yeah, Victor Alpha 4, Papa Alpha Radio. Papa Alpha Radio. 1 Alpha Mike Bravo. 1 Alpha Mike Bravo.
Alpha 4, Papa Alpha Radio at QSL, 1 Alpha Mike Bravo, 1 Delta
Ilagay mo. Ilagay mo yun. Isang ano. Baka mabutan tayo ng time. Magalauna na eh.
Kilo X-ray papa. Kilo
Delikado, ulan to uli ah.
Here,